Assalamu alaikum, my name is Iman. On today's episode, my mom prepared Banga soup ofe akum. Here, she is trying to show you how soft the meat is cooked. This soup is very delicious with white rice. I enjoy eating this and it is my first time trying it. After boiling the palm fruit, pound it to extract the juice. Add hot water and squeeze to get enough juice, and then sieve the juice and add into a pot. Now, my mom used cow leg. You can use catfish. Our spices is from Flavor's Kitchen with this beef yaji. Have you tried her dawa powder? Add seasoning and salt. Now, add your pepper mix and allow to cook. Now, separate the pepper mix from the soup and blend. It should look like this. Now, add it back to the soup and stir. Add crayfish and keep cooking. Mint leaf and banga spices. Add dried fish or bala fish. Stir and allow to simmer while doing that. Fry some overripe plantain and boil your white rice. You can also enjoy banga soup with starch, pounded yam or eba. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.
Iman, well done. This is so beautiful. So as you can see, our